May mga taong never kang may in love.
May mga taong hindi ka dapat may in love. She's crazy.
Crazy as in wild?
Crazy period.
Maganda siya, no?
She's a promo girl.
Eh di maganda nga.
You okay?
Wasak yung kotse ko. Palipat tong leeg ko, tas tatanungin mo ako kung okay lang ako? Ikaw, okay ka lang? Hoy! Nicolas, bayaran mo yung utang mo sa akin. Ikaw may utang ka ba sa akin? Huwag mong tatakbuhan, ha? Hindi demanda kita! Hindi demanda kita!
Look, Sasa, I'm trying to help you right now.
Dali, dali! Ay! Nico?
I like her. But she's so different.
The trick is, just go with the flow. Ganun lang kasimple.
Nay, malay mo, may in love siya sa akin.
Loka! Eto siya, oh.
Eto ka!
Sasa, may lakad ka ba ba?
Wala. Bakit? Yahoo! Ang cute mo pala pag nakangiti, no? Sarap, no? Kalabaw yan. Sometimes, it's the differences that make love exciting. Wow naman. Nangyayari pala talaga yun.
But are those enough to keep the relationship going?
Uy, Nico! Smile naman dyan!
In case it isn't clear to you, I am a professor here. Ibig sabihin, ginagalang ako dito. So do not make a scene.
Nahihiya ka bang kasama ako?
Oo! Okay na?
Star Cinema and Viva Films present Sam Milby and Ann Curtis in a story of how love brings changes out of differences. This is one summer you will never ever forget. Babe, I Love You, directed by May Cruz. April 3, 2010.